In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to hit Display. Then scroll again to click on Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and either apply any of those fonts by tapping on the best one and going back, or click on Download Fonts at the bottom of the list. Now click on this gray icon next to any font style you wish to apply, or click on it and hit Install at the bottom. Wherever you decided after getting chosen font style, go back to the same settings as before and click on it to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!